This video we are demonstrate a new project, and this project title is fake currency verifications. We have made this project using a Python plus AI. Before starting this project, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to our channel because we have uploaded lots of projects with a different programming languages like PHP, Java, Pythons, and also using an ML AI. If you're last year students, then then this channel is very helpful for you for the projects and for the interviews also. The complete detail of this project you can find on our website updatega.com. I will provide the link in the descriptions so you can directly navigate to this page. After navigating to this page, you will just scroll down and you will find in Python plus AI projects. And after that, here is a project fake currency detections using an AI, or you can just directly search here fake currency, and in a first you will find this result fake currency detections. Just open it, and after that you will navigate to the main page of this project. Here you will find all the detail of this project, like what does this project app do, identify whether the note is original or the counterfeit, extract the amount and serial numbers. It will extract the amount and the serial number that we provide on the note, and it provided the five Indian languages: English, Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, and Kannada, and also using in Google Gemini API. We are not using a Chat GPT because Chat GPT is a paid, so we are using a Google Gemini API. That this is a free of cost API, so you can use for the testing purpose, or and you can also use for your college projects. And the technology that we are using in this project are Python's Streamlit, Google Generative AI, and Pathlabs to handle the file operations. How it work? Uploading an image, the user upload in pictures of the currency note in a JPG, PNG, or JPG format. Image processing and AI prompts. The image sent to the Google Gemini with a carefully crafted prompt. This prompt including an request to analyze the note currencies authentications, means after uploading the image, it will send to the image sent to the Google Gemini API for authenticate the note accuracy with a multi breakdowns English, Marathi, and Gujarati. Extract the currency amounts and the serial numbers if the note is genuine or not. So the note is authenticated according to their amount or their serial numbers. AI response display. After AI authenticate it, if, after AI authenticate the note is real or the fake, it will display result on the screen. This is the key highlighting code where we are using the prompt and we are using the uploading code. For the complete code, you can just connect with us by clicking here. This is the screenshot of this project. So before starting this project, let me share my screen for the code also. This is the code part of this project, and inside that I have used my Gemini API, so I can show you this file because I have used the Gemini API, so it will display my API key. So I can show you this key file. Here you need to upload your API key. If you are interested in this project, please check the descriptions again. So I'm just starting this project. As this project is already running, so I just open this link, just copy this one, follow this link. Now it will open like this fake currency verifications. We need to upload an image. Just browse the file, and I have two notes. Both are 500 notes. One is a fake and one is a original one. So I just select this one. It select the analyze note. So now it will send to the API key. It will send to the Gemini. Okay, I think, yeah, our API key is completely full, so I need to replace this API key, and I